Imagine a hot summer day, the sun blazing down, and you're craving something icy and refreshing. You could head to the nearest convenience store for a slushie, but what if you could create your own delicious frozen concoctions right at home? Enter the Ninja SLUSHi Professional Frozen Drink Maker, a revolutionary appliance that promises to bring the joy of slushies, milkshakes, and frozen cocktails directly to your kitchen. With its sleek design and advanced technology, this machine is not just another blender, it's a gateway to endless possibilities for crafting your favorite frozen drinks. In this review, I'll take you through my journey with the Ninja SLUSHi, exploring its features, performance, and overall value. Whether you're a casual drinker or a dedicated entertainer, this machine aims to elevate your beverage game and make every sip a delightful experience. Join me as I dive into everything this innovative appliance has to offer. Design and build quality. The first thing that struck me about the Ninja SLUSHi was its sturdy design. Weighing in at 24.25 pounds, it feels solid and well built, which is reassuring for an appliance that will see frequent use. The dimensions are approximately 16.28 inches long, 6.52 inches wide, and 16.92 inches high, making it a compact addition to my countertop without being overly bulky. The machine comes in a stylish Arctic blue and gray color scheme that fits well with modern kitchen aesthetics. The clear vessel is particularly appealing as it showcases the vibrant colors of the frozen drinks being prepared inside. However, I did notice that while most components feel durable, the vessel itself could be somewhat delicate. I would recommend handling it with care to avoid potential cracks during cleaning. The design also incorporates user-friendly features such as an intuitive control panel that allows for easy navigation through its various settings. The buttons are well labeled and responsive, making it simple to select your desired drink type or adjust the thickness of your beverage. Additionally, the base of the machine is equipped with non-slip feet that keep it stable during operation, preventing any unwanted movement or spills while blending. Features. One of the standout features of the Ninja SLUSHi is its rapid chill technology. This proprietary system allows the machine to freeze liquids evenly without needing ice, which is a significant advantage over traditional blenders that often leave ice chunks in drinks. The SLUSHi can transform various beverages into smooth frozen drinks in as little as 15 minutes, depending on the preset selected. This quick turnaround time is perfect for spontaneous gatherings or when you simply want to treat yourself. The machine boasts 5 preset settings: slush, spiked slush, frappe, milkshake, and frozen juice. These presets are designed to cater to different types of beverages and allow for some customization based on personal preferences. Each setting adjusts the blending time and speed to achieve optimal results for that specific drink type. For instance, the spiked slush setting is perfect for adult beverages like frozen margaritas or daiquiris, while the milkshake setting provides a creamy texture ideal for dessert-like treats. Additionally, the temperature control feature lets you adjust the thickness of your drink. If you prefer a thicker slush or a thinner consistency, you can easily tweak the settings on the control panel. This level of customization ensures that every drink can be tailored to suit individual tastes or occasions. Customization. Customization is where the Ninja SLUSHi truly shines. The ability to adjust both the type of drink and its consistency means that I can experiment with various recipes. For instance, I've made everything from tropical juice slushes to decadent milkshakes using this machine. The versatility extends beyond just drinks. I've also used it to create frozen cocktails by mixing different spirits and juices. When preparing drinks, I found that it requires a minimum of 16 ounces of liquid but can hold up to 64 ounces. This capacity is perfect for parties or family gatherings where multiple servings are needed at once. The large capacity means that I can prepare enough slushies for everyone without having to make multiple batches. One minor drawback is that you cannot make smaller portions than 16 ounces. However, the machine can keep your beverage slushie for up to 12 hours, allowing you to enjoy it over time without worrying about it melting too quickly. This feature is particularly useful during long gatherings where guests may want to refill their drinks throughout the event. Performance. In terms of performance, my experiences have been mostly positive. The slushy consistently produces smooth and flavorful frozen drinks without any watery texture or ice chunks that one might encounter when using a blender. The rapid chill technology effectively creates slushies that resemble those from commercial machines. I tested each preset function extensively to gauge their effectiveness. For the slush setting, I used regular Coca-Cola and was impressed by how thick and icy it turned out after about 20 minutes. The frozen juice mode worked wonderfully with tropical juice. It was ready in under 15 minutes and had a delightful consistency. The milkshake function delivered an ultra-smooth shake reminiscent of my favorite diner's offerings. However, I encountered some issues with the frappe setting. My drink came out quite frothy rather than slushy. Overall, while there were minor texture inconsistencies with certain presets, particularly with denser liquids, the overall performance far outweighs these concerns. The machine's ability to churn out consistent results across various drink types makes it a reliable choice for anyone looking to enjoy frozen beverages at home. Cleaning. Cleaning the Ninja SLUSHi is surprisingly easy, which is always a concern with appliances designed for making frozen treats. After each use, there's a convenient rinse cycle that helps remove any residue left behind from the drinks. Most parts are removable and dishwasher safe, including the vessel and drip tray. I did experience some dripping when removing components for cleaning. However, tilting the vessel slightly helped mitigate this issue. The condensation catch also needs regular attention but is simple to dump and rinse out. I found that giving everything a quick wash immediately after use prevents any stubborn stains or odors from developing over time. For those who prefer manual cleaning methods, all surfaces are smooth and easy to wipe down with a damp cloth or sponge. This ease of cleaning makes it more likely that I will use it frequently without dreading the cleanup process afterward. So, should you buy it? In conclusion, my experience with the Ninja SLUSHi Professional Frozen Drink Maker has been overwhelmingly positive. It combines solid build quality with innovative features that make creating frozen beverages at home an enjoyable process. Whether you're hosting a party or just want a refreshing treat on a hot day, this machine delivers on its promises. While there are some minor quirks, like occasional texture issues with certain drinks, the overall performance far outweighs these concerns. With its sleek design, ease of use, and hassle-free cleanup process, I wholeheartedly recommend the Ninja SLUSHi to anyone looking to elevate their frozen drink game at home. With this appliance in my kitchen arsenal, I feel ready for any gathering or simply for indulging myself on a quiet evening at home. Whether it's summer barbecues or cozy winter nights with hot chocolate slushies, this versatile machine has become an essential part of my culinary repertoire, one that brings joy not only to me but also to family and friends who gather around for delicious frozen treats.